Hello everyone. In today's concept, I am going to share you one of the important thing, that is what are the skills required for fresher Java developer to get job in IT companies. Okay, so for every year there are lakhs of students will going to pass out in each and every year. It might be BTech, in postgraduate or undergraduate, or BSc, BCA, BTech, MCA. Okay, many students are going to pass out. But after pass out, they may think that which technology we have to choose for better career growth. So many of the students will going to choose Java programming language, because Java is the most powerful programming language to develop any type of applications nowadays in IT market. By using Java, we can develop web applications, enterprise applications, even Android applications and game applications, and it will also support for cloud environment and big data technologies. That is the reason every student will think that we have to take the Java course and we will survive in IT industry as a Java developer. But they do not have any idea what are the skills required to get job as a fresher in IT. Okay, so that is the reason I am going to share you what are the key skills required to get job as a fresher Java developer. So the first thing is you have to take the training on core Java. So I know every graduate or postgraduate student, they will already know this concept, core Java concepts in the academic year. But even though you have learned theoretical part in academic year, in academic courses, but you have to take the course on core Java. Okay, then only you will get some idea how you are going to write programs by using Java programming language. You have to convert your theoretical knowledge into programming way. Okay, so for that reason you have to take the training on core Java. Even it is better, 100% better if you certified on core Java, because many of the companies, MNC companies, looking for who have completed certified candidates, who have completed their Java certified candidates. They will give most preferable to get into the IT jobs. Okay, and second thing, even better take the advanced Java also, because many MNC companies are expecting advanced Java also, like JSP, servlets, JDBC concepts. Okay, so you have to learn JSP, servlet, and all basic concepts is enough in entry point of view. They will not ask any practical and real-time oriented entry questions. All are basic concepts enough. From core Java, I will tell you what are the concepts you have to look out to clear your technical interview as a fresh Java developer. Okay. After that, you must have knowledge on front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These basic knowledge is enough for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope already you know these concepts are also in our academic course. In academic syllabus, I know these concepts all introduced. Okay, and then you must have knowledge on database like SQL. Okay, so after that, these are the main things from MNC companies you guys are expecting as a fresher. For any fresher, like problem solving skills are very high. If we have good at problem solving skills, then you will become a good programmer in your future, in your career as well. If you don't have problem solving skills, then don't choose for developing side. You can choose any other stream. Don't select development stream, because problem solving skills, who have problem solving skills, he become a very better programmer, better web developer. And also logical thinking. Okay, logical reasoning is also mandatory. Okay, after that you must have right attitude towards work. While they are taking the interview, they will observe, they will notice you whether you are interested for this position or not. Okay, you must have passion about your developing side. They will understand your attitude while taking the interview. Okay, and then you should be a team player, because In corporate companies, you must be work with multiple people. Don't try to work with as a single person. So these are the main skills required to get a fresher Java developer. Okay, so after that, okay, I will explain from core Java concept what are the concept you must have idea, basic knowledge or some programming skills. Okay, from core Java you must have skills like OOPS concepts, object oriented programming concept. Definitely ask questions for freshers as well as experience also, but freshers also they will ask from OOPS concepts, that too how to create object, what is polymorphism, what is runtime polymorphism, what is dynamic polymorphism. Okay, and what is the advantage of polymorphism, can you write one example for polymorphism. Okay, and also they will ask what is final, what is finally. Okay, and also they will also ask the questions like string related questions. What is string, what is string builder, what is string buffer, what is string pool. Okay, how can you write the logic for string palindrome. Okay, so the number of questions will ask from string also. Okay, after that you have to prepare collections concept as well, data structures concept, basic knowledge on data structures as well, array list, okay, linked list, and set, hash map. You have to prepare some simple examples as well whenever they are asking the writing the code. You have to prepare for that one. Okay, after that you must have knowledge on thread, how thread works, how hash map works. Okay, so they will ask these type of questions. Okay. And one more concept, that is from core Java, Java input and output streams. You must have prepared those things also. Okay, so these are the main key areas from core Java: OOPS, collections, strings, okay, constructors, and like interface, okay, and also thread concepts. Okay, these are the enough for freshers. At the same time you also explain some concept like JDBC concept, how you are going to connect back end from front end to back end. Okay, they will ask the questions, can you explain step by step how you can connect the JDBC statements. Okay, and also can you explain JSP servlet, JSP lifecycle or servlet lifecycle, what is difference between JSP and servlets, and some basic questions, what is the difference between C++ and Java. Okay, you can expect. And also some from related, it depends on the company, and some organizations will ask SQL concepts also, like what is the difference between delete and drop, what are the DML statements, can you create a table, what is primary key, what is unique key, how to identify unique records in SQL. So they will ask, so basic knowledge is required. Can I explain SDLC, software development lifecycle. Okay, so if you have these skills, core Java, advanced Java, JSP servlet and JDBC, and also front-end technology, this is also basic knowledge, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, and SDLC, you must be tell answer, you have to, you should be ready in a position, explain SDLC. And these are the skills for every Java developer, any programmer in IT industry: problem solving skills, logical reasoning, right attitude towards work, and you should be a team player. Then you might have question after successfully complete your pass out. Okay, your pass out from this year, then how to get job. So there are different ways to get job, like through campus placements. If you get job through campus placement, they don't ask these type of questions also, they will ask only core Java concepts. Okay, so it also depends on the company. Okay, and one more way to get job: apply online job portals, through job portals. There are number of job portals are there in India, like Naukri, okay, Shine, and Monster, or even you can apply through LinkedIn as well. Nowadays LinkedIn is a very popular network for professionals to get job as well, and also to connect more software professionals in LinkedIn. Okay, and also apply on respective company websites. and it is better to apply on their respective companies. Means suppose if you want to get job in IBM, you just go through the official website in IBM and choose the career option, and you apply through company official website. And also attend walk-ins whenever the companies are opening their walk-ins. You just go and attend the walk-ins. No one get job in the first interview only. You just keep on attending the interviews, then definitely you will get the job in one day. Okay, so these are the main skills for Java developer for freshers. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will be ready to give reply. Okay, so if you have any friends as a freshers for Java developer, please share them also. It might be helpful for them. Okay, so thank you for watching.